What's up, everybody? It's your boy Drone X Factor. This evening I want to talk to you a bit about the new changes that are being made in YouTube right now.
Something in the night is calling me, yeah. Saying, get up, get up, get up, get up.
For new people who are starting channels right now, you need at least 4,000 hours of watch time within the past 12 months and 1,000 subscribers before you can be monetized. If you don't know what monetize is, that means basically you're eligible to make money. And for people who've been in YouTube for a little while, guys like me, starting February 20th, 2018, which is next month, we'll also be implementing a threshold across the existing channels with a 30-day grace period. You need 1,000 subs and 4,000 hours of watch time, or you will no longer be able to earn money. Now, after reading this, there was a section where you can comment, and I was scrolling down for a bit and reading some comments from a few YouTubers and other creators. A lot of new YouTubers seem to be upset about it, mad about it. I'm not, I wasn't. Really, I don't think this affects me, even though I don't have 1,000 subscribers yet. And this is because primarily, and if you're new to YouTube, you should take this into consideration as well. What are you losing out on? 50, 60, 100 bucks? Yes, I know it is still money. It is still some incentive. Even if you don't qualify, it's all about making money in the future. Yes, you're investing. Yes, you're buying hundreds, probably some people thousands of dollars worth of equipment, but this is not like a job. A job, you clock in, you clock out, you make whatever you make. And if you have a bad job, it means probably you have minimal responsibilities, and that's why you're not making much money. Or you're not very good at the job, and that's why you're not making a lot of money. Or the job has a cap or a ceiling that can only earn you so much money. Whatever the reason is, unless you're really good at what you do, and this applies to anything in life, you're generally not going to make a lot of money. And even if you are, you're not going to make money for very long. So take all this into consideration. The same applies to YouTube, except for YouTube is exponential. It's like a snowball. It's like if you haven't heard this stuff already, well, then you're hearing it again. And I know that I don't have 1 million subscribers, I don't have 100,000 subscribers, but the fact of the matter is I do understand the process, and I know that I will get there one day. And this is why news like this does not upset or bother me in any which way or form. As a matter of fact, I don't even look to see how much money I made, if I made any money. And that's because I know that everything is going to come in time. I just have to keep getting better. I have to work on my game. My job is to provide valuable content that's entertaining at the same time. And that's going to take time. That's going to take practice. That's going to take making videos. That's going to take me getting better at everything. At my camera skills, my audio skills, my editing skills, publishing skills, tags, all of the stuff that entails that's involved in making YouTube videos. And if you're upset about this information, well, then you need to understand this stuff too. Just because I'm not qualified doesn't mean I'm not a good listener. I've listened to all these big YouTubers and they all say the same thing. Focus on the content. Focus on getting better. And if you focus on the money and you're in this for the money, it's probably not going to work. You need to realign yourself or refocus yourself to what's really important. When you have a channel, this is your channel. Like, you can put out anything you want. And just because you're putting out content doesn't mean that everybody's going to watch. And I'm not only speaking to you, but I'm speaking to myself at the same time. Because I put out crappy content. I put out content that people really like. Content that people really don't like at all. And I get a lot of thumbs down. Either which way I take it, I learn from it, I adjust from it, and try to get better and better and better. And that's why this information, this post should not really bother you, just like it's not really bothering me. Keep delivering, keep making, keep working hard. Try to have fun at it. And that's what I'm trying to do. And that's why I know that I'll get to my goal. Follow me on Instagram, Drone X Factor. Follow me on Facebook page, Drone X Factor. Make sure you like this video, hit subscribe, and all that good stuff. I hope this video was valuable. I hope you're not feeling down, kicking yourself, and getting mad and upset about YouTube. The money's gonna come. Okay, it's gonna come. If you don't take it from me, I'm just relating this in my own way. Go listen to all the big YouTubers. Creating takes a lot of energy, and on top of that, it takes a lot of planning, and takes a lot of craftsmanship. And then when it's all done, you have to take all the editing and make it into something creative, make it into something that people will watch. You know, watch times is like the most important thing right now. It doesn't really matter if you have 10,000 views if everybody clicked it and watched it for 10 seconds. Are people really fixed on your content? That's my focus right now, to get people fixed on my content, to deliver content that's worth being fixated on. Whether it takes me 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, One step at a time, one subscriber at a time. I know I'll get there. Stay the course. Remember, guys, YouTube is exponential. The day you start gravitating some good momentum and you get the ball rolling, you hit a sweet spot. I've seen it happen. I've watched other YouTubers do this before I decided to get into YouTube. And that snowball starts getting big and big and big, and then it starts rolling. It's like coming down a hill, and it's picking up more snow and more. It's getting larger and larger and larger. The snowball effect. You hear about it all the time. That's what I'm looking forward to. That's what is really going to tell me, not even about the money, but it's going to tell me that I'm on the money, that I'm perfecting my craft. I'm delivering something that's valuable. I'm delivering something that's entertaining. Take entertainment and value, drones together, productivity, put it all together with some technology. That's your boy Drone X Factor. Listen, guys, as usual, it's dinner time. It's late at night. I'm doing what I gotta do to make it happen for me and you. This is your boy Drone X Factor, and I've got to be flying up.
Sometimes